And lastly, the Madhya Pradesh High Court has reiterated that a man and a woman both can be held liable for abetment to rape under Section 109 of IPC. For context, IPC Section 109 states that if someone helps, encourages, or instigates another person to commit a crime and that crime actually happens, they will be punished just like the main offender, unless there is a specific law for that situation. In this particular case, the prosecutrix or the victim knew her neighbor's son, who is the co-accused who allegedly raped her. He had proposed marriage to her and she had agreed. As per her plea, she visited his house to inform his mother and his brother of her consent for marriage. But instead of welcoming her, the mother and the brother forced her into a room where the co-accused then locked the door. Inside, the co-accused engaged in physical relations with her, allegedly against her will. Despite this, she and the co-accused got engaged. The co-accused assured her of marriage and continued to have physical relations with her. The day next to their engagement, the prosecutrix returned to their house and informed the mother and the brother about what had happened. Instead of supporting her, they dismissed it by saying that premarital relations are common these days. Allegedly, again, they locked her in a room with the co-accused where he again engaged in physical relations with her. Later, after the prosecutrix's mother passed away from cancer, the co-accused's family refused to let him marry her. Feeling betrayed and wronged, she lodged a police complaint against the co-accused, his mother and his brother for the offences of rape, threat of injury to induced person to refrain from applying for protection to public servant, criminal intimidation, etc. The accused, the mother and the brother of the co-accused, had filed an application seeking discharge from the case, arguing that their names were not mentioned in the initial complaint. They contended that the prosecutrix and the co-accused were in a consensual relationship and had gotten engaged with family approval. However, the trial court rejected their application, leading them to approach to the High Court. The High Court has now observed that under Section 376 of IPC, that is rape, only a man can commit rape, but a woman can still be held liable for abetment of rape under Section 190 of IPC. Referring to the Supreme Court's judgment in Om Prakash versus State of Haryana from the year 2015, the court reiterated that while a woman cannot be charged for committing rape, she can be punished for aiding or facilitating the act. Upon reviewing the prosecutrix's statements recorded, the court found sufficient material to proceed against the applicants. It upheld the trial court's decision and directed that instead of charging the applicants under Section 376, read with Section 34 IPC, that is for common intention, they should be charged under Section 376, read with Section 109 IPC. In doing so, the court underscored that abetment is a separate and distinct offence than rape, and if the abetted act is committed in consequence of the abetment, then the person, that is man or woman, abetting such crime is liable to be punished under Section 109 of IPC.